Bonking at mile 20 isn't a lack of willpower. It's a math problem where your heart rate rote checks your glycogen stores couldn't cache. The marathon isn't just two half marathons stacked together. It's a distinct metabolic challenge. We divide our 16-week block into four specific phases: base, build, peak, and taper. Weeks 1 through 6 are the base phase. As we covered in episode 4, this is strictly zone 2 volume. It feels frustratingly slow, but you are building mitochondrial density, not speed. Physiologically, we are training your body to spare glycogen. At zone 2, you burn primarily fat. If you rush this and train in zone 3 too early, you train your body to demand sugar, fuel you won't have enough of on race day. Weeks 7 through 12 form the build phase. We increase volume to 50 to 80 kilometers depending on your goal, but crucially, we introduce marathon pace blocks within your long run, targeting high zone 3. This is the progressive overload for the long run. We don't just run longer. We run specific segments at your goal heart rate to simulate late race fatigue without the full damage of a race. Here is the full architecture of the 16-week block. Note the peak in weeks 13 and 14. This is your highest volume. If your HR drifts into zone 4 during your Z3 blocks here, your goal pace is too aggressive. Finally, the taper and race day. You drop volume by 40% to shed fatigue. On race morning, the first half must feel easy. Stay in low zone 3. If you feel good and speed up early, you are borrowing energy at a high interest rate. Trust your zones, respect the distance, and run your own race.